Okay, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good afternoon. Today we will start our digital transformation day. We have a series of this presentation or talk. Almost of these digital transformation series related to the new technology. Okay. Okay. Our talk today, I will talk about emerging technology and innovative applications. Okay, I would like to introduce myself. I am Dr. Ghassan Saleh Hussein. I am Senior Lecturer and Director of Center of Emerging Technology from Faculty of Computing and Innovative Technology, Geomatika University College, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. This is the logo of our CETIA Center, and this is our faculty. I already graduated from UKM University from Data Mining and Optimization Group, Center of Artificial Intelligence and Technology from Faculty of Information Science and Technology, UKM University. Okay, our topic today related to emerging technology and innovative applications. We will, inshallah, we will cover almost of these topics today, and we will give you time to discuss and questions. Okay, from the first slide, what you can see here. Giving you, okay, what we can see from this slide. Some of you, they will say, okay, I have a car, or I can see the car, and some people. Some of you, they said, okay, we have self-driving car with the map. Some of you, they said, okay, we have self-driving car with artificial intelligence system. Some of you, they said, okay, we have self-driving car with deep learning and artificial intelligence system. This car can detect the people, traffic light, and other cars, and the way where the car will go, and which path the path the car can go from the source to the destination. And we can see from this image, this car has a lot of technologies already apply at this moment, and there are a lot of research with many companies around the world to apply and implement this one. This car has artificial intelligence, deep learning, and IoT sensors and cameras to detect the people, traffic light, and other objects. We can set objects or items around her, and this car can detect the path and see whatever around the environment around the car. At the beginning, we need to define the emerging technology. What is emerging technology? Emerging technology is a new technology that is currently being developed or will be developed within next or 5-10 years. Any new technology, there are a lot of technologies. There are a lot of technologies, and also emerging technology that have potential to change the landscape of the marketplace and impact both the business and society, and help the government and industrial sector at the same time. Because any organization start to implement and apply emerging technologies, this one will reduce the cost and will help the companies to improve the performance. Whatever this company or this organization, it is government or in the industrial sector, this is good and benefits for these organization. How many technologies we have? There are a lot, but this is a top 30. There are 50 or 100 technologies, but we can focus today about the most important technologies like artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, mobile, blockchain, big data, automation, and robotics. And also we will get talk about cybersecurity, and we will talk about smart cities and other technologies. Okay, the industry is influenced by the technologies with many domains and many sectors. For example, real estate, automotive, energy, finance, management, healthcare, telecommunication, education, media, government. We can see we can apply the emerging technology in many domains and many places. Okay, what is the most important? What is the most important in this technology? The most important technology is artificial intelligence. From where we bring this one, and from where the human and scientists bring this one. The intelligence, in simple definition, the capacity to learn and solve the problems. And also the artificial intelligence definition is artificial intelligence is a simulation of the human intelligence by the machine. That means if we create a machine and this machine has the ability to solve the problem, ability to act the relationally, ability to act the like a humans, like we can transfer or make a simulation of the human intelligence in this machine. This machine means we can say this machine has artificial intelligence and ability to help the people based on the research and artificial intelligence that is created by the human or by the scientist in the lab. Another definitions of the artificial intelligence as a short term is AI is a tool that have been developed to imitate the human intelligence and decision making functions provided to the basic reasons for the of the other human characteristics, because we transfer the intelligence from our brain to the machine and give the ability to the machine to help us and think like a human. There are a long history of artificial intelligence from 1943 and slowly and step by step by research with the long history until today. We can see the artificial intelligence is ability of the machine of the computer system to copy the human intelligence process, learn from experience, adapt to new information, and perform the human-like activities. Based on these functions and this intelligence process, we can transfer or create a simulation of the intelligence and embed it to the machine. And at the end, those machines will help us in our life. We have, especially at this time it is COVID-19 or pandemic. We use artificial intelligence robots to help the medical staff in the hospital and the clinic to save the people. We can see here what is the new applications and what is the new domain of the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can enter to the machine learning to vision and speak. And we can see the rate planning. Please could you mute the sound? Yes, thank you very much. Okay, we can see there is a artificial intelligence now already available and embedded to many technologies like machine learning, natural language, speech, robotics, and also there are a lot of domains like artificial intelligence in healthcare, business, education, finance, law, manufacturing, and a lot of applications and domains. That means the artificial intelligence is the most important technology. We can see here how the artificial intelligence and robotics shake up the jobs of the markets. And of course, there are some research they show that robotics will replace the human. This is slowly, but at the end, this is depend on the organizations, and also we can see how the robots help us. For example, in the car factory, at this moment now, in the Mercedes company, during 3 minutes, the robots can 3 to 5 minutes, the robots can do a lot of tasks in the short time. And also we can see how the robots help the people, for example, to create or package the products in the factory. And also I will share with you this video. It is to the robotics at the research. We can see here, whatever, if you kick or push these robotics, the robotics also come again and move, and you can send these robotics to any place. And if you make a setting as a path from the source to the destination and give tasks to these robots, these robots can move and do task. Another video I would like to share with you, also the same. This is the same technology of how the artificial intelligence can use it in our life. And also there are many technologies you need to buy the hardware, like Raspberry 2, Raspberry 3, motherboards, cameras, sensors, IoT sensors, and combine all of them to the one product and install the artificial intelligence and deep learning mechanism, deep learning algorithms. Then those technologies can help you to create your own product. And we can see during here at these products, based on your brain, you can light You can turn on the light from based on your feeling, based on your language of your brain. And also here there is one machine to detect the temperature of the human. We can see how the artificial intelligence and new technologies help the people with many fields. We can see here also there is another technology is called cobot or collaborative robotics. This one, it is useful and it is friendly and it is create a good environment because the human can work together with the collaborative robotics in the same place, in the same factory, in the one place. And also this technology, it is safety and it is also give the human feel comfortable with the work of the robots because some research and some people said the robots will replace the human, but in another research they can say we can apply and implement collaborative robotics that can help the people to improve the performance of the organization, and also in the same time the people can work together with the robotics. We can see here there are a lot of applications of the artificial intelligence we can apply to many fields. Also now there is a video games and finance and economics also apply the artificial intelligence robotics. We can see here also there are general artificial intelligence agents around the world like Apple and Google, Amazon, and almost of them they are using the artificial intelligence techniques, and almost those softwares, of course, they use artificial intelligence algorithms to help the company from one side, and also to help the human from another side to complete their task. Also, there is another technologies is called this is called RPA. This one it is robotics process automation, and these technologies it is interact with the computer center process with the software user interface and providing and supporting, and this one available in the market now, and it helps the company or the organization based on the robotic automation users. And also there is a graphical user interface, and also there is a configuration of this software. This one will make this mechanism or this technology as a automatic, and the automatic for the activities or the task previously provided by the human, just only by configuration. Okay, we will go now to another technology. What you can see in this slide, maybe some of you they said, okay, we have a handphone. Some of you they said, okay, we have artificial intelligence system. Some of you they said, okay, we have data analytics and statistical figures. Some of you they said, okay, we have send and receive data. Some of you they said, okay, we have sensors, and these sensors can send and receive the data. Some of you we said, oh, we have a blockchain and security. Yes, all of them. Some of them they will say, oh, we have IoT, Internet of Things. We will talk about this technology in this slide. What you can see here, we see the big data. Okay, where does big data come from? From where? From where? Who's generate the data? Okay, the very simple answer, we are generating our data. We are generating the big data. Because if you see here, there is, for example, 3 billion likes, or there are a lot, and also there is 400 million tweets, and also we can see here there are 11 billion messages, and also we can see 98,000 plus tweets. This is a huge data that are created by ourselves, and also you can use email and WhatsApp and Twitter and database and cloud, and all of these data one by one create a huge amount of data. That means who's create the data? We are creating the data, and also continuously until now. What is the main characteristic of the big data? Big data coming from where? Big data coming from, for example, from WhatsApp, from email, from sensors, from camera, from IoT devices, from, for example, climate change around us, from factory, from organizations, from company, from private sector, from government, all organizations, private or government, that has their own data and their own organization. And we can see in very simple thing, I already summarized this one, the 5 V's characteristics. Number 1 is the volume. Volume is amount of data. We have a lot of data. This one, it is also variety. Variety means the different types of data. The types of data. We have different types of data. We have, for example, text, video, image, structure. Unstructured, there are a lot of data with different types. We have also velocity. Velocity means the frequency of our data. We have also, there is veracity. Veracity means the quality. What is the quality of your data? Because some data, it is unmanaged data, and the data is collected and put it in one place without any managed, and some of the data are missing. Some data is missing data. And also, after we collect a lot of data, what we can get unmanaged data or unmanagement data. That means we have a lot of data without any analysis, without anything. And also, very important thing is the value. How much the value of your data? How much the value of data in your organization? I believe almost organization around the world, private or government, they have their own big data. Okay. Also, there are another research. There are many V's, like 8 or 12, depend. But I give you a previous slide. I give you the most important, the most 5 V's for the big data. The big data, it is excellent. The big data, it is a large data set that may be analyzed computationally and to reveal the patterns, trends. And also, there are a lot of hidden data inside big data associations, especially related to the human behavior and interaction. And we can see it is extremely large data every single second. Okay, from this data, we have a storage term, because almost people, for example, know kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, and terabyte. But what about the others? Why the people needs big capacity and big storage? Because we have a lot of big data, then we need to create a lot. We can see here the megabyte is equal, for example, megabyte and gigabyte and terabyte. Almost people knows about this one. But we have also petabyte, exabyte, zettabyte, and yottabyte. Until now, the people will reach to yottabyte. See, there is a huge space. How you can manage this one? For example, 1 kilobyte equal 1024 bytes, and 1 mega equal 1024 kilo, and 1 giga equal 1024 mega, and 1 tera equal 1024 giga, and so on. Okay, this is the capacity we need it in big data, because we have a lot of data. Okay, after we collect a lot of data in your organization, we have unmanaged data. What we will do in this big data? We will go to another technologies. It is data science, data analytics, data mining, machine learning. We need to use and deep learning. We need to use these 4 technologies to make a data analytics. Okay, what is the data science? Data science is a multidisciplinary field. We can apply many scientific methods, process, algorithms, and systems to in our data, and we can find we can apply this one in the whatever our data, it is structured or unstructured. We can use the data analytics or data science to get the data. But of course, the main problem, when we collect the real data, there are a lot of data. It's called missing data or dirty data. That what we can do, we need to make a data cleaning. Then also some data, it is from different structure. We need to do data transformation, and also we need to create also modeling of the data. And also we need to know what is the good of our data, what is the hidden information inside our data. This is called discovering useful information from inside our data. This is help us. Okay, why after we collect we collect a lot of data using big data, then we go to data analytics? What is the main reason? The main reason is these data analytics help the organization and support organization to make a decision. It's called decision making. It's called decision making because after you collect the data, make analysis, submit to the top management of the organization, the result of the data analytics, this way help the top management of the organization to make a decision, good decision for to improve the performance of the organization. Also, we have data mining techniques. This one very important process to discovering the pattern because there are a lot of pattern and hidden pattern inside your data because the big data mining is joined with machine learning, pattern discovery, knowledge discovery, and also there are a lot of techniques inside data mining like classification, clustering, regression, discover the outliers, sequential pattern prediction, social rules. There are a lot of techniques inside data mining help us, and also data mining is compatible and joined with statistical approach, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and all together work together in one system. Is called data mining techniques or knowledge discovery. These one help you to discover the hidden information inside your data. Machine learning, it is very interesting and powerful techniques at this moment, and also a lot of people use it. Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence. We can say in each place we will find artificial intelligence, and also in machine learning we will find artificial intelligence. Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence that provides the systems to ability to automatically learn and improve from the experience, okay, without being, for example, programmed on something, because you create your model. This model, after you create the model, we make a training. After we make a training to this model, means your model is ready to run in your organization. Of course, there are a lot of steps until we create our model, and after that we deploy. It's called deployment phase. After your system is run and it is ready, and the machine learning model is ready, and you already create your own model and make a training. This training is depend on your kind of data. What is your data? If your data is unsupervised data, that means we need to apply unsupervised learning. And if your data is related to the supervised, means classification. Supervised means classification data. For example, if you have a table, this table has many columns. The last column is called, for example, type. For example, student table in the school or in the university. There is a student name, student address, and the marks of the student, and the last column is called, for example, grade. This student is excellent, very good, good, excellent, very good, good. This one called classified data. Why? Because you have a column to make a classified for each record, for each row. But if you don't have this column, if you don't have a classified data, you can use unsupervised. Unsupervised data means you have, for example, data like a climate change, for example, temperature, but you don't know what is the class of this one. Or for example, you have a data from many patients, but you don't know what is the cluster of this patient. For example, at this moment as a COVID-19, we collect a lot of data from the patient, but we don't know in which class. Then we need to, based on the result of the COVID, based on the medical report, we will make a clusters. Then we will apply unsupervised learning that will help us to classify the patient in the hospital or classify the people in one organization. Also, we have reinforcement learning. This one, it is very good. This one, it is real time decision, and also this one, for example, apply to many places. For example, like game with AI, for example, with robots navigation. The robots go and navigate and study and compatible with the environment around the robots. This one is called reinforcement learning. We have the nice technology is called deep learning. Deep learning, it is a subfield of the machine learning. You can see the number one is artificial intelligence, then subset it is machine learning, then subset it is a deep learning from the deep learning with the algorithms, and this one inspired by the structure and functions of our brain, of artificial intelligence. This is called artificial neural network. This idea coming of the neural network coming from the brain, from our brain. our brain has a lot of has a lot of thinking, has a lot of neurons. These neurons connect to each other. This is from as a natural in our brain. Then the scientists get this idea and create a model. It is similar like our brain. Is called artificial neural network. For that, the deep learning is powerful, and now there are a lot of applications in deep learning. For example, I would like to share with you this video. We can see here this is a deep learning video. Okay, this one detect the car. This one we can apply for anywhere. We can apply for the cars, we can apply for the patients, we can apply for the student. For example, save our student from the school. If the student go outside, we know the student will go where the student go. Also, we save our people in the traffic light. We know the models of the cars, for example. Also, this one you can use it in the education, you can use it in the security, can you use it in the every place. And just I would like to show you how the accuracy of these models. See, just only moving, because after we create the machine learning, this one I collected from LinkedIn, from my network. After we compile, after we create the model of the machine learning, we can see how the result of these techniques. Also here, we apply machine learning. We apply here machine learning. This machine learning has this robot. This robot uses artificial intelligence with deep learning to recycle the data. See how you can recycling, how these robots differentiate and understand what is the recycle better. See, because this algorithm of the machine learning already make a testing, already make a training in the robots. Then directly when the people in the factory give the order to the robots already implement and apply and deploy this model as a testing mode. Okay, now I will go to another technology, 3D printing. 3D printing, it is famous and very interesting at this time. This 3D printing is created from the material. There are different types of material. And also you can see from this slide, 3D printing has a lot of domains. For example, using 3D printing, you can create house, we can create, for example, joy or games. We can create also some parts of our body. We can also go to the dentist clinic to repair our teeth using 3D printing. We can also, for example, if anybody has an accident, just only this one, for example, as an accident, then we can print out some parts of our body. This one is related. Almost of them, they use it in the medical domain, and also in the same time you can use it in the education domain. This one almost of them. Of course, some of them they use it in the, for example, as a house furniture. For example, if they would like to print out chairs or tables, or also there are also stationery in the library. For example, during for example COVID-19, everything closed. Okay, if you had 3D printing with good material, with good quality, you can print out your any 3D items. For example, how this printer is working is very easy. You go to scan any items from different angles and loading this photo to your computer and print out directly. This printer will print out all parts of the your photo as a 3D model. And also I would like to share with you this video here. Just I will show you some parts of the 3D printing. You can see here in the 3D printing, during 3D printing, we can print out the parts of the body. For example, some of people has accident, okay, or for example some accident, and also some of them when they was born, some hands and legs, they are not working. Then we can see here how the 3D printing can create these arms and legs and help the people, especially they have accident. And also this one has a deep learning system, artificial intelligence system, and also all these parts interact with our body and read the signal from our body by a lot of wiring. There are wiring and algorithms and system there, and understand and also dealing with the environment, dealing with the environment. And we can see here how this 3D printing, how this 3D printing to read the signals of our brain. For example, they print out the 3D printing model and they keep it in our brain, and they read all signals in our brain and understand what the people, for example, if for example some people has a lot of disease, we need to study the disease of the people, we need to help the people using technology. Also, some kids or some people, they don't have hands by accident or when they was born, they can use the 3D printing technology. And also you can see here in this model how this model it is moving is only if you move your hand, if you make any movement, this model already trained and also has a training sector and understand whatever you do, the model already repeat whatever you do. Also here, see, there is a 3D printing to print out the hands. For example, at this child, he has not, for example, hand from he was born or by accident, then they can create to him hands to help them, because this one is a children, they would like to join to the school, and pity for him if he go to the school without hand. That for that they help the people in this matter, especially the kids in the school. Also, we have another application of 3D printing to print out the parts of the body, because now there is one research. They are looking for how to print out the parts of the body. For example, heart of the people, or for example the kidney, for example the liver, for example the muscles, and they do a lot of research in this matter. Okay, this one for 3D printing. I will go now to another technology. This one is called IoT. What you can see from this slide. What you can see. Some of you, they said, oh, I have, this slide has a lot of parts. This slide has a lot of items. Some of you, they said, this slide has a phone, laptop, and electronic device. Some of you said, oh, there is a tree, there is a camera, there is a house, there is a wiring. Okay, some of you, they said, okay, I can see Internet of Things, or I can see many things here, many things, because in computer science it's called things, or items, or objects. We can see many objects and many things and many items connect to each other through the internet. This is the Internet of Things, network of physical devices, vehicles, sensors, devices, home applications, and other items embedded to the electronics and software and sensors. All of them connect. All of them connect to each other through the internet, and there is a connectivity with enable those objects to connect and exchange the data. This is very important. Connect and exchange the data among them. For example, you have table and chair and air condition and car and the main door and laptop, and your office already converted to automated office with the automation system under IoT devices. If you move from your office, automatically your air condition and there is a sensor in your office detect your body and detect your temperature and give you the temperature based on your body. Because for example, if the weather outside is very hot, they will give you cool. If the weather outside is very hot, they will give you hot. They will detect the environment outside your house and also inside your house, and also they will detect your temperature when you go from the main gate, when you enter your house, when you enter your office. This air condition automatically detect your temperature and based on your state of your body. And also we can see there are connect to each other. For example, your car, your phone, your monitor, your door, your air condition, and also the main gate of your organization, of your company. All of them connect to each other, okay, and help you to make your task is easy and make your life is easy. Okay, and also at the same time there is a security system to protect your house and protect your company also in the same time. And also in the same time, this way exchange the data means you can collect the data from the sensor around you. For example, you would like to travel. Okay, you have CCTV sensors and for example sound system in your office and in your company. You would like to travel any place, whatever you go inside your country or outside your country, whatever, if there is a Wi-Fi in your office, automatically you can monitor your organization, you can see your staff. And also in the same time, this technology also use it in the schools to monitor the kids, to take care about the small students, especially in the early years. And also you can see how the IoT sensors connect to each other through the internet. There are another terms under IoT or Internet of Things. Some of them they said, okay, IoT of Things, IoT, Internet of Things. I means internet, O means off, T means things. And also another term is called machine to machine, M to M. All of these terms are correct because machine to machine means item to item, object to object. Okay, and also at the same time we can see how the network of the physical objects, okay, connect to each other by a feature of IP address, for the internet connectivity, because each items has an IP address or the number. IP address means, for the people non-computer science, IP address means a number or ID. For example, for your table has a sensor and ID. Your phone has a sensor and ID. Your door sensor and ID. Your air condition sensor and ID, and also your car. In the morning, when you wake up in the morning, the system will tell you, okay, hello, good morning, sir. Then the system will tell you, you would like to prepare the breakfast for you? If you reply yes, okay, the system will do for you and prepare the breakfast. And if you go to the kitchen, you'll find your breakfast there and tea is there, everything is there, sandwich is there. Then you can eat. After you move, before you move, if you're late at your house and wait on the table and you are late on your job, your car will send SMS to your phone. Your car will send SMS, please come now to me, because the car said, come to me, I will send you to your car because you are late. This is all of your environment connect to each other through the internet. This will improve your performance, complete your task, make your life easy, and also at the same time collect data of your body. For example, if you have a sensor in your, for example, your smartwatch, if you have smartwatch, this smartwatch has a sensor. They can collect the data from your body and send you to your phone. You can track and monitor your health care by yourself. And after you day to day, you can read the report of your health. This one is good also. No need to go to another, go to outside. What is the components of the IoT? There are many components of IoT. 4 fundamental components of IoT. Number 1 is sensor and devices. Number 2, connectivity and connect the internet between or among the items and the sensors. Number 3, there are data processing, send and receive data, of course, exchange the data between them, and data processing. And number 4 is user interface, because of course you need to have application in your phone and you can connect to all devices around your house and you can collect the data and see the performance of your job. Okay, what we can see, and now there is Internet of Things. Okay, where we can apply Internet of Things? We can apply Internet of Things in the agriculture, automation or smart farming, building management, energy management, embedded system, education, smart city, vehicles, healthcare, hospitals, security, for example, machine to machine, wireless sensor talking. There are a lot of applications of IoT. Here, there is very important terms. We can say terms. Okay. In general way, I try to summarize and give you the core of the information. Okay. Based on the 5 types of the IoT, 5 types of the IoT, because we have here 4 fundamentals. Yeah, we have sensors, devices, connectivity, data processing, and user interface. Okay, then we have applications with many domains. Then we have on the left side, there are 5 types of IoT platforms. There are connectivity platforms, devices management platform, cloud platforms, because the data and send and receive to the cloud. And also we have applications, embedded platforms, and we have advanced analytics of the platform. After we collect the whole data, okay, where this data go back? This data go back from many layers. This is very important. 7 layers of Internet of Things. We can see there is, for example, number one is, for example, this one, it is a network. For example, this one is things. Then number 2, it is connectivity. Number 3, it is cloud. Number 4, it is data. Then we have a data analysis. Then we have application. Then we have a people and process. Okay, this is the 7 layers, and each layers has a features. Later we can share with you this video and slides, and you can read and refocus. But in general way, the Internet of Things working in very summary way, like this one. You have sensors in your organization, connectivity, connect to internet, send and receive data, and user interface, because at the end you will make a data analytics and see the result. This one, why IoT? IoT is a dynamic control. Is also help in industry and daily life. Also it this one, it IoT improves the resources of the utility of the ratio, and also flexibility of configuration. It is not difficult, and also universal intra networking, and also this technology, it is new technology, and also in the same times it is integrating human society and physical systems. We can see there are scope, of course, the Internet of Things or device or objectives must work in the digital system and connect to the internet. Then in this way, or in this situation, in this environment, you can use IoT devices. And of course, almost company has a, internet service. We can see here how many people during 2020, how many world pollution, and also how many connected devices in 2020, around 50 billion devices. And also we can see there are improving the people use devices and connect to each other and use IoT sensors. And also you can see here there are different fields and different items and different devices implemented and apply in our life. And also in the next maybe this year or next year or 5 years, you will go to the street, there is nobody. You will go to the petroleum station, there is nobody. Fuel station, nobody. You will go to a supermarket, there is nobody. You will go to the university, there is nobody. Almost of organizations will control by deep learning, artificial intelligence, and IoT sensors, and all of them work together and send and receive big data. This is the idea of combine all technologies. If you have organization, this organization will use a lot of technologies because you would like to manage your organization. What you will do, you have, for example, robots to assess security, and you have Internet of Things and sensors and cameras to monitoring and collect the data. And also in the same time, you will use IoT of Internet of Things. This Internet of Things will send and receive the data. Okay, whose will collect the data? Sensors. Where? Okay, sensors. Then what is the next step? This data send and receive, or send, and this data we can say this data is collected from where? Collected by cloud, because all data sent to the cloud. Then I can collect the data. This data is called big data. Then I have IoT of sensors. I have artificial intelligence system, deep learning, machine learning as an analysis later, and also all sensors send and receive the data. That means collect. Yeah, I will share the slide. Yeah, sure. I will slide this. I will share the slide later. Don't worry. It's okay. All right, reserves. Don't worry. Okay. We can see here how the investments of IoT in our life from 2014 until now, until 2020. But this one I collected from one source I need to mention. And also you can see in this slide, you will find the source. You will find the source or the link from where I collect and from where I bring this data. Just only we need to mention this information related to the one source. Okay, there is a very important technology now. This is depend on the IoT, and the base of this technology, it is IoT, Internet of Things. But everybody knows Internet of Things here. We already mentioned Internet of Things. We can see here Internet of Things. We have a lot of devices. Or if you come back a little bit, okay, we have here a lot of devices and sensors. Yes, and also all devices connect to each other. Yeah, okay. From this idea, you send and receive the data through the internet, and all devices connect to each other. Yeah, okay. But these devices, I mean, those devices are available in your office, in your organization, maybe from building 1 to building 2, maybe from city to city. Okay, then for that, the people needs more and more internet and more connectivity and more connect to each other. For that, the new technology is coming now is called Internet of Space or Internet of Space Things or QSATs. Okay, this technology is related to the send and receive the data, and through of course through the internet, but related to the space, any space. For example, you have city 1 and city 2. Okay, we would like to implement, for example, one system in smart city. Okay, this smart city has a space. Okay, we can combine together two technologies together. We can use Internet of Things device and CCTV and monitors and everything, okay, together with the Internet of the Space Things, okay, to help the people to use the internet and technology. And also, I already shared with you the source of this paper. This one I researched, and also I already give you the source of this paper. If you'd like to get more information, because okay, where we can apply Internet of Space Things, it's called IOST. Okay, IOST means I internet, O is off, S is a space, T things, because everything around us, I told you in computer science, everything around me, around us, okay, is called things or items or objects, but in general way they call things means thing, anything. We can see we can apply Internet of Space Things in any place. Yeah, we can apply it in the, especially in the big space. Okay, if your organization is the building, you can use IoT with artificial intelligence, and you can collect the data, and you can later you can use deep learning or data analytics or machine learning to analyze your data, because your data already collected as a big data if you have a big data. Or but for Internet of Space Things related, for example, to the big factory or big city that are connected to each other. Okay, that means later we can give you the space. Okay, now we will go to another technology. What you can see from this slide, you can see AR, MR. Okay, I will check the chat. Okay. I will check the chat. Okay. Okay. Do you have any question? We can stop. If you have, I can stop sharing. Then we can, if you have any question, we can receive or we can continue. Okay, we can continue. Then we can see the chat. Okay, we still have a time. Okay, I need to finish this part of technology. This one is very important and very interesting. You will see. Okay, this one is called artificial intelligence. This one is called AR, MR, VR, and XR or AR. Okay, what we can understand from this technology and where we can use it, and what's meaning AR, MR, VR, XR technology from this slide. Okay, this one related to the virtual reality, and also there are a lot of types of virtual reality. In general way, we need to define the virtual reality. Virtual reality is an artificial environment that is created with the software, and this software represented to the users as a way of the user suspects as belief, and also they give you virtual reality and accepts uh, and accepts the real environment. Okay. I will share this. I will share the. Okay, I will share the slide. Okay, I will share the slide. Don't worry, I will share the slide, everything. I will share the slide and video and send to you. Don't worry. Don't worry. I will send everything. Okay, just I need to finish this part as a time. Because this one, it is very important. Virtual reality related to the this system or this technology create a environment, virtual reality environment. And also we can see there are artificial environment available there, and this system give you as a virtual reality. That means you can believe this one. And I would like to share with you another slides. We can see here there are virtual reality and there are augmented reality. VR means virtual reality. AR means augmented reality. What is the difference between them? You can see virtual reality give you a virtual environment and they give you based on the glasses, because there is a glass, you must wear the glass, and give you virtual reality based on your imagination. Then they can give you like as a belief, but it is virtually, it is not real, it is a real thing, but they can show you as a real environment. But for augmented reality, there are a lot of application. For example, if you'd like to buy furniture, if you'd like to buy a chair like this slide, you'd like to buy a chair, this chair is not available in your room, is not available in your office. Then you can use augmented reality software to create to choose your chair or furniture. After you choose your furniture and see everything, then you can order and you can pay online, and you can order and pay online. And at the same time, you can choose your color and the space and where you will put this one virtually. After you make sure everything is done, then you can order this one. This is augmented reality help the people in many organizations. Also on the right side, there is a one student in the school, they can learn by virtual reality. They can learn, for example, science or mathematics. It's easy way for the students, they can learn in the school. We can see here this one augmented reality. Also, you can go, for example, to outside, but you don't know what's inside the building. What is inside the building? You can open your phone or your tab, and you have a augmented reality system. Then they can show you where is a coffee shop, where is a fashion shop, where is a shopping center, and so on. This one based on the augmented reality. Augmented reality means is the direct and indirect live view of the physical and compacted view with the real world environment. And also this where the virtual reality, it is a computer generated scenario that only simulate the realistic experience only. But for augmented reality give you the virtual with your environment, like this one. You go to the shop, this is augmented reality, then you can see what is inside the building, or you can choose your chair or furniture, okay, virtually. This one augmented reality or AR. We can see here, for example, in BMW company, they do transformation and training industry using augmented reality, because they would like to reduce the cost during lab. Then they do training for the staff virtually, until the staff can understand how they can repair this engine. Then they can send him to the real engine and real lab to reduce their cost. Also, this one used it in the in many companies now. This one, it is related to the augmented reality, related to the medical training. Then they can see, they can use this device. Now this device is available, especially during COVID-19. There are a lot of devices for them, and they can detect and collect the data from your body by only press one button. And also we have here the another different types. Okay, we have here augmented reality and virtual reality, and also we have here another type is called mixed reality. What's the difference between virtual reality, augmented reality,
mixed reality, and extended reality. Virtual reality is a computer generated scenario that just only simulate and see inside glasses there is a visualization. Okay, but augmented reality is direct and direct view your environment and also compatible with the real world around you. Like you would like to buy a chair or you go to the building, you would like to see what's inside the building. Mixed reality, it is combined between augmented reality and virtual reality. Okay, what's about extended reality? What's about extended reality? Extended reality is mixed all of them. Extended reality, XR or ER, XR or in some another research is called ER, combine all mixed reality and virtual reality together in one device. I would like to share with you this video. This video it is very interesting. This is use it in the medical, in the hospital. They can see all parts of the body, and also they can take the one part by part, whatever, for example, lungs, okay, and you can move your hand. You can see also the internal parts of any part of your body, see, with details. And also on the left side, they can give you the report, and also all parts of our body, all parts with details. And also they will explain to you this part, what is the name of each part in details. And also they can see the brain and see all parts of our body. See this one just only by moving your hand. This one especially in the education. This one just only for example, but you can use it in the science, in the mathematics, in the geography, in the all fields of the of education. This is also very important and very interesting technology. This one from Microsoft also. This is called some of people they call virtual 3D teleportation in real life, real time, and some of them it's called holoportation. Okay, what we can see here in this video, you can see here you can copy yourself. You can copy yourself from one place to another place, but this one just only in the lab, in the right side. If you see the video on the right side, you can copy your place from one place to another place. For example, you are in the country X and country Y, different places in the world. You would like to see, for example, your parents, or you would like to see your family because you miss your family and you miss your parents. You would like to see them. You can use this technology to see the people, or also use it in the meeting. For example, they have a meeting, they would like to meet during business or something. You can use this technology to make a meeting in the virtually. Now you can see in the right side, the man already stand there. This is a real man, but in the left side there is a virtual man. We can see the man with the kids. This one with the girl, with his daughter, because he misses his daughter. He would like to see his daughter. And also I can run the video. You can see here in the right side man is a real, but in the left side it is a virtual. See, after he met with him, okay, he said okay, goodbye. Then he disappeared, disconnected, disappeared. This technology, it is very important and use it in different places. And this technology will be used in the meeting, and use it in the business, and use it in the education. In this technology, you can wear these glasses and you can see the duplicate of yourself. You can see the duplicate of yourself here, and also in the same time, for example, if your daughter in one place, you can see your daughter near you. This is technology is called also virtual 3D teleportation. We can see here, you can talk to people, you can see the people, you can talk with the people, you can discuss with the people, but those people, they are not available. You can minimize and maximize the shape. You can virtually, and you can talk with them just only for technology. Okay, we have very important product also related to the virtual reality, augmented reality, extended reality, is called Apple glasses. This is a very good and very interesting product. Why? Why very important product and very interesting product. This product, if you wear these glasses, they will give you the temperature and climate change details. If you wear these glasses, they can give you a lot of application. You can use it. If you wear these glasses, they guide you as a GPS. No need to use GPS or Google Map or any other thing. You can use these glasses. They will show you the way if you'd like to go from place to place. You can check your email, and also you can change the color of your eyes, because the people when they show you from outside, they can show you today it is yellow eyes, tomorrow you have a brown eyes, and also at the same time you can read and send the data through through these glass. This glass, it is very important and very interesting, and it is related to that. This one is called first generation wearable cloud. And also this device, it is very interesting, very small, and you can connect to Apple phone, connect to Apple Watch, and you can send and receive the data very easy way. You can also check your email. See, you can also check your data and connect with your friend through the glass. Okay, another technology, this one is called drones. This drones technology is related to the automated vehicle. And also these drones is can used for transportation, for food transportation, for bring and receive help the people. And also I would like to share with you also another slide. This one related to the survey. For example, the smart farming. Smart farming, we need drones. We need drones to check our farm and give us the report and help us to improve our products in our farm. I would like to share with you one video here on the left side. This one on video delivery. You already call the company give you delivery, then you can sign by your hand. Please put there on the table. These drones understand, put it on the table, then come back again to you because you would like to pay. You must pay online, it's okay. Just only you use debit card or Visa card, then done. This is one video. Another videos. These drones moving by light. If you turn on the light using mobile apps or any technology, turn on the light, the drones are moving everywhere. Of course, you must decide where the drones will moving and give them environment. After you turn off the light, all drones will come down and stop working. This one can help in the factory and business and also education. Another technology, it is a famous technology, it is 5G. 5G is related to the 5G wireless. This is, of course, this one started from first generation, second, third, and fourth until 20. This one, 5G, it is related to the fifth generation of the wireless system. This 5G is compatible and connect with all devices, especially IoT, Internet of Things. That means Internet of Things use 5G network to send and receive the data through the internet. That means there is a compatible between Internet of Things items, IoT, artificial intelligence systems, of all of them, they work together to send and receive the data through the 5G. 5G, it is very high speed. 5G, it is very high speed network because 5G is depend on the mobility, depend very high capacity, reliability, very low density, and also it is long battery, life battery, okay, and also very high data rate. And also in the same time, there is no problem if you use mobile broadcasting or whatever we use or any devices to connect to the 5G. It's no problem. Of course, there are a lot of technology and a lot of steps to implement and install the hardware and create infrastructure in the almost country to start and to apply the 5G. Some people thought only China and USA has a 5G. No, these were wrong information. There are a lot of people. There are a lot of people. There are a lot of people. They use 5G technology around like 50 countries. You can say 50 countries. Those 50 countries has a lot of technologies, and also in the same times they already start to build their own 5G technology. At the same time, we can see there are a lot of infrastructure we need to install in our city to start the 5G technology. I would like to share with you also another environment, another technology is called cybersecurity. This cybersecurity is related to the save our data, protect our computers and networks against to the criminal or unauthorized people. And also where we can see the cybersecurity implement during this month. We can see it in the G20 when they applied in Saudi Arabia. They have a cybersecurity. They do well. They manage these meeting in high performance and high speed internet with very good environment. And also, of course, cybersecurity protect and run these G20 virtual summit in very good performance. Okay, cybersecurity has a lot of, a lot of process. For example, identify, protect, and detect, and response and recovery in the same time. But we at the beginning we need to identify. At the beginning we need to identify this attack. This attack it is for example danger attack or normal attack sent from internal or from internal. There are a lot of technologies and there are a lot of steps, and also there are many cybersecurity malware forensics, and there are many of forensics and malware forensics analysis, and there are a lot of techniques including the cybersecurity. And also there is there are encryption and decryption data. There are private key and public key and sender and receiver. There are a lot of story and a lot of details inside cybersecurity. It just only give you the definition of the cybersecurity and how we can implement it. But in general way, we can make the machine, our machine or our computer as safe, and also we can collect the data from cybersecurity network, computer network. Because how many people try to attack your network? How many unauthorized access to your place? How many the people, for example, try to access to the bank or access to the government server, something like this. Okay, then we can see this is our real example, just only this month. Okay, we have another technology is called blockchain. I will try to finalize. It's okay. The last slides is very soon. Blockchain is related to the security, because when you talk about the cybersecurity secure our devices, our network from the attack people. Okay, but blockchain secure our data when we would like to send our data from source to destination. Also, another thing, cybersecurity save and secure our certificate. For example, you have a certificate. We would like to stop the fake certificate. How? We can create a blockchain model. Then we can upload all certificates of your university. Then you have also barcode inside your certificate. Then any people scan this QR code or this code inside your certificates, that make sure the system will give him announce this certificate is not fake, it's a real certificate, and give all information based on your state. Okay, blockchain is very simple thing. Is related to the blocks that gets added to the blockchain, and we can see the blockchain has a block number, data, and also there is a hash number, and what is the next hash and previous hash, and how the boxes are connected to each other. Like this one, blockchain means a series of chain of blocks connect to each other, and each block has a secure data with the secure key, and you cannot change at all these block of data. For example, first block we will save one data like a certificate. Nobody can change or update this certificate. Okay, under blockchain, some people they said blockchain only for bitcoins. No, blockchain is not only for bitcoins. Blockchain also has a many technologies related to the security, data security. And also in the same time, of course, in the same time, we have Libra currency and Bitcoin's currency. This one, the famous. You can see Libra currency. This one related to the. It is a blockchain-based payment system. This one proposed by the American social media company Facebook, and there are many. See, there are many companies support these Libra currency. See, many companies and many organizations, and we can see also the blockchain also, it is cryptocurrency invited in 2008 by unknown person. Some of them, they said from Japan or from another place. Okay, some of them, they said unknown place. Just only I give the reference number. Later I'll give you the reference number for more details, but in general way, Bitcoins, it is we can say it is a virtual currency. There is no cash. What will happen if we apply and implement Libra and blockchain in our banks using blockchain technology? What will happen? That means there is no cash in the bank, and maybe the bank will change their policy to apply and use like a virtual currency. It is not cash, and everybody can use their phone or the code to send and receive the money and save your time. We don't know what's the policy, but there is, of course, there is a law. There is ethics. We need the people must follow the system. Last thing, it is self-driving. Self-driving, you can see there is self-driving. Self-driving means that this technology, it is under development, and a lot of companies already create a lot of cars. And also we can see in London, they will apply self-driving taxi started from 2021. Also, there is another technology or extra technology is called Biomatrix. This Biomatrix technology is related to the authentication to save your data and save your information that is used in computer system. Okay, this is one way. Another way to save the data. This one available in the USA and Europe now, and also many people already implemented. This is called biochip. Bio means related to the biology, and chip, it is chipset. Okay, chipset. Okay, this one chip installed under your skin, and this data and this chipset, this biochip save all data related to you. Save your bank account numbers, your phones, and your health report about your body. And also you can collect the data from your body and send to your phone. And also you can save your bank number inside it. You can put it under skin in your hand, and you can save all information inside it through the Bluetooth through your phone. This technology available now. The people say this is more secure, more than use card or use, for example, fingerprint. Okay, this technology available now. These small devices, see, smaller than rice, smaller than a piece of rice. Yeah, smaller than rice. And this technology has a sending, receiving, and save and storage. This is very small item. There is very small item, has a receive and send and save the data inside it. Also another technology, this is also used in the medical sector. Also another device is called Internet of Bodies, because we have Internet of Things, we have Internet of Space, we have Internet of Bodies. This one use it to send the people, that people can take it with the drink. Then they can send the data to the device, and you can send this report to the doctor. Then the doctor give you the medicine, or you can go to the pharmacy. The pharmacy has a automated machine. This machine can give you by your report automatically without meeting any doctors. We have also this one, future technology, MEMS. This one is called micro electro medical system. This one consists of this very small and many computers. This one use it in the also in many environments, especially in the many robots. Last slides related to that digital transformation, and we can see what is the digital transformation. Okay, in the previous slides, we talk about Internet of Things, we talk about artificial intelligence, big data, cybersecurity, IoT, Internet of Things, Internet of Space, and also connect to each other. What we can see from this, we can see from this device how we can apply all this technology as a digital transformation in our city. And could you imagine if the all buildings and all streets connect to each other and send the data to each other, and all at the same time they save energy. Save energy means save electricity energy, save the water, and also in the same time take care about the people, and also at the same time monitoring the people to reduce the accident, and also give virtual education and virtual reality. The people can give the knowledge to those information. We can see now bring these digital transformation is a culture, organizations, operational change of an organization or environment or industry or ecosystem through smart integration of digital technologies. We can see there are a lot of technologies here: artificial intelligence, machine learning, Internet of Things, 5G, and also high-speed internet, and all parts of this city connected. This help end of this one, the gateway to the future. We have smart faculty, we have smart highway, we have hospital, we have smart city, and all of them connect to each other through the cloud interface. And we can see how the scientists and the people or the programmers improve their information, and improve the mechanism of this one. There are a lot of techniques implemented to can see how the and receive the data through and service through the organizations inside the smart city. Of course, there are a lot of challenges, and challenges means the security and the big data and how they can make a data analytics, because after here there are very huge big data send and receive through the cloud, and we can see here how the committee of those organizations or the collect the big data inside smart city, and how they can take care about security, and how they can apply cyber security to protect and save. And we can see here there are a lot of and mesh for important thing. It is ethics and privacy. Ethics and privacy, day and day we don't have any privacy. The privacy is reducing, and so we need to take care about this one. We need to follow. Maybe in the future there are new law from the court, new law to save the people, and also we need to follow the ethics, and we need to respect to each other, and also we need to take care about our privacy, and also we need to save the data of each other when we use those, because it is related to the security, related to the cybercrime, related to the privacy, social, related to the free will, and there are a lot. These one related to the government and privacy. And computing, this one it is this one to the high speed microprocessor. This one will help the people, and high speed server will help people to weather climate change. For me, their future, but I technology how they encourage encourage their kids to choose the job. Okay, recommendation, we can see here there are a lot of emerging technology capabilities, and we can see there are a lot of organizations can use these technologies. And we can see also at the same time, we need to create new business, we need to pay attention, we need to prepare prepare and take care about the growth of the data. Also, we need to protect the data and privacy and improve the capabilities of the people. Okay, thank you very much. There is last question only for you. Will emerging technologies, artificial intelligence, robotics, and so on take my job? This is one question. Okay, I already finished. If you have a question, you can ask now. I will share the slides. I will share the slide, and I will share the everything. Don't worry. But if you have any question, you can ask now. Sorry to go in this way, but I would like to give you a lot of information in the during 2 hours, because this one it is good for you to open your mind. I'm sure some of you they have knowledge, some of you improve his or her knowledge. Okay, for me also, when I join with you, I can tell you thank you very much to join. Thanks a lot to join with me today. And I'm happy to share the knowledge with you. For the slides and everything, sure I will send. I will compile everything, then I will send to you. Don't worry. And if you have any question, you can ask. You are welcome. If you have any question, you can ask. You are welcome. There is WhatsApp group. There is WhatsApp group. WhatsApp group. I already opened the chat now. There is WhatsApp group. I will share everything through WhatsApp group. And also, if anyone cannot, I will share the slide. Yes, sure. If you have any question, you can ask. Because there are a lot of technologies now. But very important thing, take care about your laptop, your phone, your tab. Install antivirus. Don't click in any link. Don't click in any link. Some people send advertisements. They told you, oh, this is today we have a promotion. There is a low price to one shop. Please click if you'd like to buy this one. After you click directly, they already send the malware or virus to your phone. Then they collect all your data. Then later they will call you, please pay the money, or I cannot, or I will spread all your data to the everywhere. Take care about this one. Okay, if you have any question, you are welcome. For slides and everything, I will share. And I have another session maybe next month. Next month, I will talk about next month, inshallah. I will try next month, inshallah. I will, my talk related to the education, how we can use emerging technology in education only. I will focus in education only. How we can use it in the education, for example, school, secondary school, and university. And how we can create a good environment for the student, and what is the challenges, what are the challenges and advantage and disadvantage. Inshallah, next month, inshallah, I will inform you, because I have your data, I have your WhatsApp. just I will send you the time, inshallah. And if you have any comments, you can send to WhatsApp group. If you have any comments or feedback, you are welcome. I will share all information with you, don't worry.